Are you ready to build mobile apps even faster with Bravo Studio? We've got some exciting news to share with you. Google recently launched a brand new service called Stitch, and the best part? It's completely free to use. With Stitch, all you need to do is prompt your app idea, and boom! In seconds, it generates fully designed app screens, ready to bring your vision to life. But it doesn't stop there. Stitch lets you copy your designs directly into Figma, where you can tweak and customize them to your heart's content. And here's where Bravo Studio comes in. With the Bravo Studio Figma plugin, you can easily structure your app, add the necessary Bravo tags, and get your app launch ready for the App Store and Google Play. No code required. We tested Stitch and we're absolutely amazed by the results. Check out some of the app ideas we created in just minutes. A crypto portfolio tracking app with a welcome screen and homepage. A real estate app with all the essentials to kickstart your MVP. A food recipes app featuring different cuisine categories. A mindfulness app perfect for personal growth and relaxation. And an AI agents app. Imagine having a personalized doctor, financial advisor, or lawyer in your pocket. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll show you exactly how to Bravorize one of these app ideas and bring it to life with Bravo Studio.